Good day, everyone. Are you ready now to explore the operations of integers? We will be having a great time applying your knowledge on fundamental operations to a new level. Let's start.
Hello, we are now on Quarter 1 Module 4, still on the fundamental operations on integers. By the way, what are integers again? It consists of signed numbers. Signed numbers are the negative numbers and positive numbers na napag-aralan natin sa ating number line. Now, we are in Lesson 2, Subtraction of Integers. But before we start, let us recall these words. What is a minuend? So, example, we have 5 minus 1. So, yung unang number before the minus sign or the operation sign ang tinatawag nating minuend. And of course, we also have the next one, the subtrahend. Ayan. If we use the same example 5 minus 1, then 1 here is what we call as the subtrahend or the number after the operation sign or the minus sign. And we have the difference. Difference is the result of subtracting two integers. So if we have 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, then 4 as the answer is what we call as the difference. And this is very important. Additive inverse is the opposite sign of a given integer. So as we go on with our lesson, malalaman nyo kung ano yung additive inverse at bakit siya masyado importante sa pag-solve or pag-subtract ng integers. Now, katulad ng sa addition of integers, I am going to teach you how to use the number line in subtracting integers. Example, we have 3 minus 2. To use the number line, first is to locate and to plot the minuend or the first number, and that is positive 3. Then, we follow this instruction. If the subtrahend is positive, count the opposites units to the left. So, dito na yung papasok yung additive inverse. So, gagamitin natin ng additive inverse or opposite sign ang ating subtrahend. So, we have here positive 2. Ang mangyayari, we're going to count units to the left. Papunta sa negative. Hindi papunta sa positive. Since 2 is positive, so we're going to move to the left. We're going to count 2 units dahil ang ating subtrahend ay 2 units. Is positive 2, so we count 1, 2, and that's make our answer as positive 1. What if we have negative 6 minus negative 4? Same process, locate the minuend, which is the negative 6, and plot in our number line, on our number line, and then if the subtrahend is negative, count the opposite units to the right. So, since negative ang ating subtrahend, which is negative 4, we're going to count the units papunta naman sa right. Kasi opposite nga. Ayan. So, we have 4 units to count. From negative 6, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's make our answer or our difference equal to negative 2. Very easy. Now, para mas maintindihan, we still have examples here. We have negative 4 minus positive 1. Let us plot the minuend, which is the negative 4. And since we have the positive subtrahend, we're going to count units to the left. How many unit? We're going to count 1 unit dahil ang ating subtrahend ay 1. Okay, then to the left, that is negative 4, 1 unit, and that's make our difference equal to negative 5. Another example, we have positive 1 minus negative 5. First step, again, we have to locate and plot the minuend, which is the positive 1, and count units to the right. Since we have the negative, so we're going to count the opposite units to the right. Ayan, tinuturo ng ating arrow. Then we are going to count from positive 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's make our answer equal to positive 6. Nakuha yun? Now, what if we have positive 20 minus positive 10 and negative 15 minus negative 9? So, kung napapansin nyo, ang mga given numbers natin ay bigger numbers. What if we have these numbers and kailangan pa ba natin siyang gawin sa number line para mas madali nating magawa ang mga big numbers? Kailangan syempre natin ng rules ng subtraction of integers para mas mapadali ang ating pagsusolve. We don't need to plot, but at least nalaman nyo yung basic. So now let us have the rules of subtracting integers. When we subtract integers, we change the sign of the subtrahend, then we proceed to addition. So subtrahend. Ayan, so first we have 20, positive 20 minus 10. Here, nasaan dito ang ating subtrahend? Is it the 20 or the 10? And that's the 10. So, since 10 here is positive, we're going to change it to negative. Kaya siya naging negative 10. At ang second step, second rule natin is to change the minus operation to addition. Ayan. Proceed to addition. So, ang subtraction ay naging addition. So, that is the rule of subtracting integers. Sana hindi kayo nalilito. Kailangan nyo lang siya kabisaduhin dahil dalawang step lang naman. So, find the subtrahend and change the sign. Tapos, proceed to addition. Ayan. So, that is the reason kailangan yung makabisa ang ating addition para madali sa inyo ang subtraction or to subtract integers. Now, we have now positive 20 and negative 10. So, they have different signs. So, ibig sabihin babawas kasi magkaiba ang sign nila. Ang 20, bawasan ng 10, that is 10. And our difference, our final answer is positive 10 since we have 20 na positive which is farther from 0. Mas malayo yung 20 na positive kaysa sa negative 10. So, that is the reason kung bakit kinopya ng ating final answer ang positive sign. Okay, next, we have now the negative 15 minus negative 9. Hanapin ang subtrahend, that is negative 9. At kung napapansin nyo, negative 9 becomes positive 9 and our minus operation becomes plus. And then, here, we focus on the signs. They have different signs. So, ang gagawin natin ulit, magbabawas. So, 15, bawasan ng 9, that is 6. At bakit negative ang ating final answer? It's because negative 15 is farther from 0 than 9. Ayan. So, dapat maalala nyo yun. And, of course, the absolute number. Next, we have here